3 disadvantages of PLR products. PLR, or private label rights products, are a great way to get content for your websites, products to sell, graphics to use on your sites, and various other things. They can save you a lot of time and effort compared to creating your own content from scratch. But there are some disadvantages to PLR content as well. In this article, we're going to look at the 3 biggest drawbacks. Duplicate content. The biggest problem with PLR is the fact that multiple people have the right to use the content as their own. This means that you'll have competition, whether it's for ranking in Google for articles on your website or selling a PLR ebook. Some types of competition are more critical than others, particularly web content and getting ranked in the search engines. If a bunch of people all post the same articles to their websites, generally only one of them will get ranked in the search results. The rest will be considered duplicate content. The easiest way to avoid this problem is to edit the PLR content to make it more unique. Rewrite articles you post on your website, change the graphics, title, and other branding for an ebook you're selling, and so on. Low quality. Another problem with some PLR is the quality of the content. This one isn't across the board by any means. There are plenty of PLR providers who offer high-quality content, but it can be an issue in some cases. The last thing you want to do is offer something of questionable quality to your audience, whether they're buying it from you or just reading it on your website. The solution to this problem is to check the content before you use it. Read through it and make sure it isn't poorly written, and double-check the information itself for accuracy. If it's in video or audio form, go through it before you use it to be sure the quality is acceptable. Duplicate purchases. If you're selling a PLR product, it's possible that your customers could buy the same thing from 2 different marketers, particularly if one or both of you rebrand it so it isn't recognizable as the same thing. This is more of an issue in markets like internet marketing, where customers could be on several email lists that all wind up promoting the same thing. The only real solution to this is to offer a money-back guarantee. If someone buys something from you and it turns out they bought the same thing in one form or another from someone else, you can simply refund their purchase.